Most everyone would agree that children should be our top priority. They're our future. We do anything for our kids. Yet in orthopedics, medical devices for the pediatric patient are more than a decade behind the adult market. That's why we're here. At WishBone Medical, we work to disrupt the status quo and to close this technology gap. We help surgeons provide proper treatment so their patients can get back to living a better life and an active life. We help them get back to being kids. We work so they can play.
That's our dream, is to make sure that we can take care of kids globally. I started WishBone Medical mainly to take advantage of the opportunity to help children that have orthopedic issues. We make implants just for kids, and we still found that over 95% of the implants that go into children are not appropriate for them. They were made for adults, and then surgeons are able to take a smaller size, cut it, bend it, tweak it, jam it into kids and hope it works. And that's just not a great way to do medicine. So we try and make anatomically appropriate implants for kids, and then we put all of our implants and the instruments used for a procedure into sterile pack kits so that we can get them to surgeons all over the world.
So when you work for a different type of company like WishBone, you get to work with a different type of surgeon, one who shares our mission in improving the quality of lives of children and their families. So we're honored to work with some of the key thought leaders in the pediatric orthopedic industry, surgeons who share our vision of where the industry can go, and again, share our mission for improving the quality of lives and bringing new products and new solutions and satisfying some of the unmet needs that children have right now.
As a vertically integrated organization, from product development to manufacturing and sterile packaging, we manage our own supply chain. This gives us tremendous freedom to grow the business and respond to our customers' needs. With one of our manufacturing facilities just over 10 miles from headquarters, our teams work closely together to develop and launch projects seamlessly. So what does this mean for our customers? When a surgeon has an idea for a product, we can spring into action to bring the concept to fruition. We don't need to rely on outside vendors and their limitations to develop, prototype, or manufacture. Every step in the process takes place inside the WishBone family of companies. Ultimately, our company's structure enables WishBone to serve the needs of children in a truly exciting and expedient way.
Imagine you're a child waiting for surgery. You've not had anything to eat or drink for 12 hours. You're in a strange place, you're nervous, tired, and hungry. It's the end of the day and the nurse comes to you and says, your case is canceled. The tray that was supposed to be used in your case is no longer available. This is disheartening. You're gonna have to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. With WishBone single-use kits, there's no chance of delays or cancellations. The kits are brand new, sterile, ready to go whenever you are.
How do we instill that, childlike enjoyment of life and curiosity as we try to kind of be like kids a little here at work? And I think, all of that together, the work environment, what our mission is, it's so obviously important. You don't have to do a lot to tell the story. You don't have to work hard to be like, this is why I go to work every day. And you get up and you're like, this is why I get to come to work today. I get to work on things that will help the next kids, help my grandkids, help the kids next door. I mean, it's such an awesome feeling of knowing that you're part of something so important and so needed.
Ultimately, what I want to do, and that was the goal in starting WishBone Medical, is I wanted to provide anatomically appropriate implants for children and not have them MacGyver their way through these surgeries for kids anymore. And by putting them in the sterile pack kits, it literally makes it available for everyone worldwide. I find kids are the same all over the world. They all have same issues from an orthopedic standpoint, and we want to be able to help all of them. So my goal is to make enough product that we can get it out worldwide and have it available for children. That's my goal for the future. That's something we can do. We own our entire supply chain. We develop products internally. We can make as many as we need to get them out everywhere, and that's our dream, is to make sure that we can take care of kids globally.